Oh my god, is she okay? I think she's depressed. Y'all want a little goodbye dance before we go?
Don't fuck me like that. Fuck me like this. Yeah. His friends and his dad hate me. I broke his little heart, he a cry baby. If I ain't let him hit the pussy by now, it's in my nature to be a little troublemaker. So wrong, but so right. Do you really like the way I taste when we kiss?
Okay, so welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning into my video, and as you can tell from the title, I'm going to show you how to turn mobile pictures into PC. Basically, how to go from a square to like a rectangle picture, okay? So, first things first, what you want to do, obviously something that everybody does when they're taking pictures. You want to find a chat room. Oh, I like this room. I don't even know what it looks like, but I like the picture from the outside. Oh yeah, I like this. It hasn't even loaded in, girl. This is just like my room in a way. I'm gonna show y'all my room. Not right now, but like at the end of the video. Because this kind of looks like mine. I'm gonna at least say hey. And I'll shut up. Because I don't like being like rude. Oh my god. So cute. Bro, I know you saw me doing that. Okay. I wasn't trying to start a conversation. Anyways, what you want to do, obviously, go into a chat. I just love this room. Okay, anyways, you go to a chat room. It's a lot of people in this chat room, so I'm not really going to do poses like that. So you want to, do not do this. This is not what you want to do. Because again, it is a square and there's no option to make it get bigger, which Imvu really needs to update it where like mobile can take bigger pictures. Like, okay, the quality isn't gonna be as good as it is on PC, but I still want bigger pictures because I'm usually on mobile. I never play the game on PC. I just take pictures on PC and get off. So there's really no point in me having to keep switching just to take pictures. But anyways, back to the video. I'm gonna show you. So you start here and you line it up to where you want it. As you see, I want it from head to toe. And what you want to do, you screenshot it and you crop it either from here or where her shoe starts, either one. And you do it like this. And then you save it. And then you go out. And that's the first part. I want to go to this, which is, you want to go to this app right here. It's called InstaFit. I guess it's like InstaFit, like Borders, whatever. And you want to click on the picture, you just upload it. And this app does have ads, by the way, but it's not very long. See, I'm going to show you. And it should be done right now. Yeah. And then it'll pop up again and it's done. I like my image quality to be the best, obviously. Who wouldn't want?
This is my baby.
Always
My baby from him and here and me. And then
anyways, what you want to do is you go here, you save, and then save image. But I'm going to show you what else you can do in here. You can make it different sizes. I wouldn't really recommend it. I would recommend it like this one, mainly because that's the size of the view thing. You can change the colors of the background. I wouldn't suggest like on one picture you use this color, then on another one you use this, and another one this, and another one this. it'll look tacky, kind of. You can use this, you can use that. Like, it just depends on you. You can also move this to the side and get a better effect. You can also make it smaller. You can do a lot of, oh, I like that. That actually looks very aesthetic. I'm actually living for it. Put it like right here. I'm trying to, you know what, never mind. But yeah, you see what I'm doing. Literally, what am I doing is the question. Alright, now bring it back up. And we'll just click that. And you can change how bright it is. This is more like fade than brightness. But to me, it looks like fade instead of brightness. That's brightness right there. I like that. I actually like that. But reset, contrast, reset. I like the warm ones though. Those look pretty. Oh, that's cute. Okay, this is not what this was for. I'm sorry. And then there's gradient. I think I'm saying that right. I really don't know. And then you can just, you know, you can, I wouldn't recommend doing this. If you do this to your Imvu pictures, don't. Like, do not edit your pictures like that. Nobody else will tell y'all, but it looks bad. Oh, I like it like that. Anyways, y'all get it. Now let's go back. And you go here. And you go to photo. Let it load. And you go here to 2D. Choose existing. And you go to the first picture. And you click next. And you would, I'll post it, but I'll do it right away. And there you go. You would post it. But I'm not going to. So, yeah, that's pretty much how you make a PC looking picture, kind of. Also, I'm going to show y'all my room. I really like this room. Like, this room was empty at first, but I had decorated it. And I think it looks pretty good. Like, we got the gaming area up here. You know, what is this? Crash. I don't know what that is. We got Walking Dead. That's a movie. We got Grand Theft Auto. We got, we got, give me a second. We got Call of Duty, you know. We got the pizza. What? Don't play. We got Call of Duty, Ghost. We got, okay, I really don't care about soccer. We got another Call of Duty 4 over there. Oh, that's the other one. Ignore me. Ignore this exit sign too. You know, we got the stacks of DVDs and games, you know. You know the vibes. Don't play. We real gamers over here. And we got the little couple seat here. We got this, and then since when has this been here? I have never seen this dance right here in my life. When did I put that there? Anyways, and then yeah, and then there's this stance at the top of the stairs. Oh my god, is she okay? I think she's depressed. Y'all want a little goodbye dance before we go?
Don't fuck me like that. Fuck me like this. Yeah. His friends and his dad hate me. I broke his little heart, he a crybaby. If I ain't let him hit the pussy by now, then that nigga lame if he still waiting. I ain't even saved your number, no, so no, I can't reply to no text. I make him cry about the pussy.
Probably why my shit so wet.
Be a little troublemaker, so wrong but so right. Do you really